Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Boynton Beach local and long distance movers near me. We can help you with your long distance move. With the right services, you can choose a full service move, or you can allow us to simply load up and transport your belongings to your new home. We can help you with all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying hiring a Florida moving company isn't easy at first. However, as soon as you start looking at the benefits, you'll likely understand how using professional movers makes sense. You'll be paying for a team to make your move much easier. With the right materials and the knowledge to handle even the most precious items, you'll be in good hands when you hire 3 movers. With our moving team, the process of moving from one location to another is much easier. It might take you as long as a week to pack up, load up, and move your things. We can handle it in just a few hours, allowing you to use your time in a better way. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Boynton Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.